To build your casainc HDPE Adirondack chair, you'll first want to find a large area where you can work and lay out all the pieces. This makes it easier to keep track of and make sure no pieces were lost during delivery. No power tools are needed, just the wrenches and screwdriver will be enough for this assembly. Have parts B and C face away from each other. Then align part D in the gaps and tighten with 2 screws on each side. Please note, do not overly tighten these. It's best to do each of them most of the way and then tighten as needed afterwards. To connect the seat of the chair, part E, to what we did in step 1, you will place part E on top of part D. To tighten, thread 3 screws in the pre-made holes on parts B and C. We recommend starting with your hand and then switching to the wrench. Now we're ready to add the extra wide armrests. Oops, my camera fell down. Anyway, part G is the armrest with a 3.5-inch cup holder and 1.5-inch umbrella holder, and part F does not. Using one 50mm screw on each arm, we'll hand tighten and then use the wrench to secure. Now we have a chair with no backrest. This isn't cozy, so we keep going. Step 4 is the trickiest, so we'll break it down into 2 parts. Take the backrest of your chair and align it with your armrests and back legs. Now, take 2 of the 50mm screws and thread them through the openings where the backrest meets the back legs. Save the final tightening for later. Take your 2 long 80mm screws and thread them through the underside of the outside of the armrest, seen here. Secure it on the other side using the washer and nut, parts N and O. Once completed, it's time to finish tightening the 4 screws we just attached. Next, it's time to take part H and attach it to the back legs of your chair. Using 2 more 50mm screws and the provided Allen wrench, you can secure your chair's back legs. Finally, all that's left to do is attach your 3.5-inch cup holder and 1.5-inch umbrella stand. To attach the cup holder, take part J and insert the 2 screws along pre-made holes under the left armrest. For the umbrella holder, take part I and your 2 remaining screws to attach to your chair's leg. You're now ready to take a seat, lean back, and enjoy your casainc Adirondack chair.